Hello friends, welcome to Online Technique. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a short video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase and decrease screen brightness in Windows 10. Because when we work on the computer, we have to increase or decrease the brightness. So, it is very important to know the tasks. That's why watch the video to the end without skipping. I believe that after watching the video you can do the tasks easily. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. First of all, click right button of the mouse on the desktop. Then you will see such a window. Now go down slowly and click on display settings. Then you will see such a interface. Now go to the top of the interface and you will see a option named display. Under it you will see brightness and color. Under it you will see brightness changing bar. Now keep the mouse pointer on the bar and move the bar by dragging the mouse for brightness increasing and decreasing. Now go to the left side for decreasing and go to the right side for increasing. Now keep the bar where you want and see the percent. See, I have kept the bar at the 50%. Dear friends, it will be saved where you put it. Now cross the interface. My dear friends, in this way you can increase and decrease screen brightness in Windows 10. My dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.